Greetings, greetings, greetings. Hear me now. Nobody fret. Nobody bawl. Whatever your problem is, just take it to Jesus now. Him have the right and the power to answer you. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button. Drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right here, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 9 from verse 18 to verse 26. When Jesus did so, I said in sitting there, all of a sudden, one leader for the Jew them church go down upon him knee in front of him. Him said to Jesus, say, my daughter dead just a while ago. But come put your hand upon her and she will come back alive. And Jesus and him follower them get up and follow him. Now, one woman we did a suffer and a bleed for 12 years come up back at him and touch the tail of him clothes. She did a say to herself, say, if I could have only touch him clothes, me will get better. But when Jesus turned round and see her, him say, no fret, daughter, cause you believe in me, you're all right now. And from that time there, the woman did better. When Jesus go in at the leader house and see the people them we play the flute and the crowd of people them a holla and a go on, him say to them, say, the whole on come out. Come out. The picnic no dead. Asleep, she asleep. And the people them start laugh after him. But when they met the crowd of people go out the door, Jesus go inside and he take the picnic on and the girl picnic get up. And the news there spread all over that area there. And God wrote this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.